Hi everyone, welcome to Trainmehub. Today, this particular video is dedicated for Performance Max campaign. In last couple of weeks, we are receiving a lot of questions that the advertisers, the individual advertisers are not able to gain insight around their Performance Max campaign. This particular video will talk about on how to get the visibility over any Performance Max campaign that you're running for your client or as an individual advertiser. To start with, first, this particular report that what we have designed and the script that what we would be showcasing you on this particular video will talk about that where your Google is showing your ads, whether it's on shopping, display, video, or even on a search engine. Which search category your ads are showing to, like search query, what search term the user is typing and where by which your ads are getting displayed to. On the last, we will talk about the different product metrics that this particular report will help you to pull the best products that are selling. Also, we'll be categorizing few products that have spent on that particular product, but they are not populating any kind of a revenue for yourself or for an advertiser. So let me first showcase you the report that what we have designed. This is a predefined template designed by Mike. Uh, he has prepared this particular template in a Google Sheet. It's a very useful sheet that breaks up your performance max campaign and help you to gain a better insight. So the first tab will talk about the different campaigns that are running, the PMax campaign that you are running in, the different costs involved over on shop, video costs, display costs, and on the search or other costs that is occurring, into your Performance Max campaign. Then on the second tab, we have the different types of campaigns that are running. And over here, you will gain insight that what all metrics that you would be capturing to gain insight. So for example, the total cost is getting incurred for this particular campaign, the conversions that is coming up, the conversion value, the amount of views that you have got for this campaign, the average CPC, the cost, the shop cost, the video cost, the display cost, and there are a lot of other metrics that what we have included on this particular tab. Then on the third, you will get insight around your asset group, that what are different asset group, the campaign and versus to that campaign, the different ad groups that is associated and how that ad group is performing, the asset group is performing for you for in terms of impression, conversion, value, ROAS, clicks, CTR, and CPA. Also, the other tabs like uh, ad group, the AG stands for the asset group. In terms of impression, what you're getting. Right now, we do not have any data over here, so that's the reason it's blank. So if your Performance Max campaign have data for a particular asset group, in terms of impression, all the data will start reflecting up over here. Same goes with the asset group cost. So this particular tab will give you the insight around the cost involved with your different types of asset group that you are running within your Performance Max campaign. So right now, we will show you the script that is there. So first you need to go onto this particular site. This link we have already mentioned onto the video description. You just need to go onto this link and copy the entire code which is mentioned up over here. Just copy the entire code right from top to bottom till end main. You just need to copy it, or even you can do a right click and then click on to copy. You just need to move to your Google Ads account. And in order to come up to this particular screen, you just need to click on to tools and then you need to select scripts over here. So once you click onto script, it will come up to this particular screen. The only thing that you need to do is you need to copy paste the code which you have copied in the first step. Just paste it over here. And the tweak that you need to make over here is that you need to make a copy of this template. The copy of the template, when you copy it, the Google spreadsheet will give you a new URL. Okay. The only thing that you have to mention is to replace this particular URL with the new URL what you have got after you have clicked on to copy. So let me just quickly show you. So over here, we'll click on, we'll copy this and we'll paste it over here. And you just need to click on to copy. Once you click on to make a copy, it will make a copy and it will give you a new URL. The new URL that what you will get, you just need to replace that on the section over here within the inverted commas. Once you have done that, you need to click on to save. I would not be saving it since I've already saved it. Once you have clicked on to save, give a name to your script. So I have given the name of the script as PMax Script, okay? And then you need to run this code. So probably, once you execute this code, you will get two prompts of authorization. So you just need to click on to authorize. And once you have clicked on to authorize, all the data after like a minute or two, depending upon the amount of data that you have in your Performance Max campaign. So it will take around a minute or two. And in fact, once the script has successfully executed, all the data will start reflecting up over here. Okay. So once you get your data, or if any kind of an error gets, you encounter any kind of an error, feel free to drop us a comment and we will be happy to resolve the comment, resolve the issue for you. That's it. Enjoy your PMax campaign. Thank you so much.